Introducing the Automatic Ethiopian Injera Making Line by Innawei Technology. Revolutionize traditional injera production with modern automation. Our fully automatic system handles everything from batter feeding and spreading to baking, cooling, and stacking, all in one smooth, continuous line, designed to maintain the authentic texture, softness, and natural Teff flavor of traditional Ethiopian injera, while delivering unmatched speed and consistency. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this machine ensures hygiene, durability, and easy cleaning. Smart temperature control guarantees perfect results every time. One-person operation saves labor, while energy-efficient technology reduces costs. Designed to maintain the authentic texture, softness, and natur. This versatile machine isn't just for injera, it can also produce Somali Canjeero, Eritrean Taita, Sudanese Kisra, Indian Dosa, and other flatbreads made from teff, millet, or rice flour. Join hundreds of successful food businesses transforming production with Innawei Technology. Contact us today on WhatsApp and take your injera business to the next level. Innawei Technology, empowering global food innovation.